Right here I have this 6-foot flocked Christmas tree and I'm absolutely loving this. Let's turn this on, just a click of a button, and we're gonna have this thing lighting up. So many different options this has. You can change this from the white lighting all the way to the colored, and you can have it like cycle through. You can have this on solid color so it doesn't change this low sequence that I really like. But this does not take very long to set up, pretty easy. It comes with a nice base as well, and then also gonna have like some brown packing paper as well. You lay on the floor so you don't get anything dirty or messy. Easy cleanup. This sets up, holds the tree very nicely. It's just a couple different pieces, and we have these bulbs. We do get replacements. Bulbs are really nice, and you can change all of the different angles on the ends of these, so you can like bend this up. So you do have to fluff it up a little bit. I do like how on the top it is pointy enough where you can put a star or something if you'd like. But this remote is really handy. You can just turn it off really quickly or just turn it on. Plug goes into the wall, and there's 3 different sections. You can kind of hide everything really nice. I kind of just pushed it up against the plug and tucked the wires on the top so it doesn't hang. Looks really clean this way, but overall the tree is very nice. I loved me a good flocked Christmas tree. It just looks amazing, and the 6-foot is really nice as well. So definitely add this to your cart. Check this out for yourself. There's a bunch of different options as well. I highly recommend this tree. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.